Okay, so here we are, viewers and subscribers, in a place called Therte House. Yeah, this is one of the first places I live at when I just came to England. Yeah. Council Estate. I used to live at one of them places. Yeah, one of them flats. Yeah, man. Therte House. That's the name of it. That's it there. Phil. Oh, Phil used to live here too. Them fix up them place, man. Council house, them, you know. Yeah, man, them ask council house, them time the Therte House. Yeah, man. Still looks same here, but it's still quiet too. Still quiet, you know. Yeah, man. Hey, them put a lift in there too, you know. One time no lift never in there, no elevator never in there. Now them put elevator in there. Yeah, man. Well, Phil, it is all secure now. Virgin, Therte House, where we used to live here, so remember it? Yeah, man. Therte House is all secured. Have all elevator. See the elevator there, Phil? Have all elevator in it, Virgin. Yeah, man. Can't get inside in it all secure. So secure now you can't even get inside. Yeah, so these are estate. These are one of the first estate I live at when I come to England. Therte House and Retreat Place. Whoa, what a difference. Oh, all this wasn't here. This set of flats wasn't here. So like I, same way some of you from Jamaica and the Caribbean and around the world will be coming to live in these flats. Maybe you already have friends and families living here, and when you come to England, maybe this is where you're going to live. See it? Therte House, Retreat Place. All of this wasn't here. I think those were being built. those flats over there were being built, or this little set right here was being built. Wow, what a total difference. Yeah man, we used to live at 36 upstairs there, on the third floor. Third floor. No, third floor or fourth floor. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 on the fourth floor. Chris said house 36. 25. 26, that's 36 right up there. Right above 26. 36 is above 26. Hey, time flies. Yeah, these are the ones that recently built. Modern style. All right, that's okay, man.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay.
Why? What's wrong?
If you can, like, if you're gonna post it on like social media.
I'm a YouTuber.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Mr. X Life in England.
Mr. X Live.
Let me show you.
Wait, can you like send to me?
Huh?
Can you send to me?
You want me to censor you?
Yes, please.
Why? What did you say? To be censored?
Please.
You didn't say anything. Hmm?
What?
You didn't say anything for me to censor you.
Do you want me to follow you?
You want to? Yeah, you can subscribe to my channel. There it is. It's called Mr. X Life in England.
Mr. X Live.
Life in England. What's your name?
I don't really give my name out.
Well, you have a name that somebody call you.
Yeah.
Beverly, Janet, Susie. What did you throw somebody out?
The internet's not really working great.
Huh?
The internet's not working.
Oh yeah. I used to live up there. That's why I'm here. I used to live at 30.
Is it? Okay.
I used to live at 36.
If you do post it, I'd really appreciate if you don't like show my face.
Oh, I didn't take your face.
Well, what? In the camera, but it faced me.
Huh? No, that's the back of the camera. That's the back of the camera you're looking at. You want to see the?
I know, but once I kind of saw it face me, the front of the camera. So.
No, when I was coming from down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't on you.
Okay, and then when you turned them, the face me to. Front.
Yeah, but I don't edit my contents. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye. You see it? Oh my goodness. Wow, the place looks so different, but it is quiet, man. It is so quiet. Let's walk down the bottom of the road here. See? Chris said house, what it looks like. See, look at Crescent though. See, it's an estate, but look how clean it is. It's been like that. It's always been like that. They've been looking after this. I'm not gonna lie. Council always look after this. Yeah. Acne Council always look after these. So yes, viewers and subscribers, this is Acne in East London, and it's called Crescent House and Retreat Place. This is we are probably out on Retreat Place right now. So yeah, one time, wow man, this used to be busy, man. This place used to be busy. Well, it will soon be. These some new flats, these two. These are new flats. All these wasn't here back then. And here we go on Morning Lane. Ooh, Morning Lane is always backed up. Morning Lane is always backed up. Let's take a walk this side of Morning Lane. Hello.
Yeah.
Today is £5, that's their £5, okay? You know,
My God, can you imagine I used to run up and down in this neighborhood here?